What are the Akashic Records? While many describe or explain the concept in different ways, in essence, the Akashic Records are believed to be the repository of every thought, word, and deed of every living being, good, bad, and awful, in all times. Past, present, future. It's a compendium of knowledge of all life forms and entities. But those familiar with the records report that there is no judgment or implied penalty in the records. They are said to simply be a record of each soul's journey through the infinite. History and origin of the Akashic Records. One of the earliest references to the Akashic Records in modern times was made by Helena Blavatsky, founder of the Theosophical movement in the late 19th century. Theosophy is an esoteric belief system that incorporates philosophical tenets from Eastern religions while maintaining that there is no religion higher than truth. Blavatsky claimed she learned of the records from Tibetan monks, or Mahatmas, who said the records could be found in the Akasha or Akasa, the Sanskrit word for astral light, or the ether element in Eastern belief systems. This fifth element of space is considered the fundamental fabric of reality from which all other elements emerge, the source of material reality. The Eastern idea of karma is a major facet of the Akashic Records. These masters of the ancient wisdom, as Blavatsky referred to them as, taught her clairvoyance, psychic abilities, and astral projection. She used these tools to channel information from the Akashic Records and built a large following of theosophists, including some famous ones. Metaphysician Rudolf Steiner also referenced the Akashic Records, asserting that every action, word, and thought leaves a trace in etheric realms. Contemporary physicist Ervin Laszlo explores concepts of Akasha from the perspective of science, concluding that the Akasha contains templates for human ideals such as harmony and equanimity. This is reflected in his Akasha paradigm, which he relates to the evolutionary processes of human beings. Those who subscribe to Akashic record models often reference the Book of Life first mentioned in the Old Testament Exodus. Biblical scripture asserts that a record of every life is kept in heaven, and it is from these records that souls. Explorations of the Akashic field were also a major focus of the writings and work of Edgar Cayce. Cayce's Akashic studies posited that there is a storehouse of information in a non-physical plane of existence, which maintains a record of every soul's past, present, and future. Cayce's readings are some of the best known